Hello, my name is Aditya, and today I am going to demonstrate my NeuroPulse AI single channel Surface EMG prototype. So, this is the box of the NeuroPulse AI single channel Surface EMG prototype. So, basically, this was the machine, or this was the prototype which I created earlier. But since people have said me that you can make it more portable and you can make it wireless and you can create an Android app for this, so that there is no requirement of laptop for connecting your device. So basically I have created a upgraded version of this. So I will be moving forward with the upgraded version, but for now, uh, first I would like to show you my old prototype. So basically this was the prototype, my earlier prototype of NeuroPulse AI single channel Surface EMG. Basically you can see this is a long box, and you can also see the sensor here, and this is the OLED screen, and this is the USB. So basically it was not wired, it was basically wired, and it was not wireless, and there was no app for this, and basically it requires your laptop to be connected. But what I did, I created a small version of this. So this is the portable and small version of this. Even this can be made a little bit more smaller. Due to the lack of 3D printer, I have made it in a simple box, this prototype. And you can see it also have the uh, OLED screen, and this is the wire which is basically for the electrodes. So this is for the electrodes, and this is the sensor. And here this side you have the on off button, and it works on battery, and you can easily connect it with your Android phone. So I would like to demonstrate my new uh, updated prototype of NeuroPulse AI single channel Surface EMG. So like this, you can see I have turned it on, and you can see that uh, in this prototype, in the updated version, I have tried to make the Surface EMG signals visible directly on the small 0.96-inch OLED screen. Here you can see that the signals are coming. Basically I have not connected it, so when I will connect it with my skin, then it will show the real signals. So basically like this, and if I do any movements like this, so this green LED will turn on. Basically here, because I have not connected it till now, so any movements like this are creating a noise. So that noise is equal to muscle activity, and whenever there will be muscle activity, this green light will bulge up, and you can see the signals like this will start coming. So I would show you in a video a proper demonstration of this, in which I will connect it with my hand. So uh, this is the prototype, and also this is the side where you can recharge it. This is a type C port here. So, and this is the sensor. So also, if you see in the box, so some things are given here, that you will have your electrodes here, and you will have your alcohol swaps. And if we sell a old prototype, then we need this USB cable, otherwise there is no requirement of the USB cable. And there is a lab manual how to use it. So uh, in the next video I will show you the demonstration of my small portable single channel Surface EMG, which is now wireless and have the Android app. Thank you.